pressure's out. I cooked it for an additional 15 minutes. I should have read the book. It's operator air. I didn't have the temperature on high, I had it on normal, or it would have cooked a lot quicker. So basically I've been cooking it for an hour and a half on all these attempts. It usually takes about 3 hours for a big pot on the stove. Pressure cooker on the stove, 50 minutes to 60 minutes. This time it took me an hour and a half because I didn't know what I was doing. Next time I'll put it on high temp and it should be done in the first 50 minutes. Anyway, that's what happened. Because if it takes that long to cook it all the time, this is going back. Now they look good. They smell good. I tasted them earlier. Now they're good. I should have done it. I should have read the book. Anyway, now they're perfect. There's a lot of juice. Kind of juice that you can drink, not a bunch of water. They're golden color. They taste like butter. They're hot. Definitely they're done. Alright, well that's my review. First attempt cooking something in this. I did the water test earlier. Made sure everything was working. So the pot looks good. It's functioning.